Today I've got a different kind of rugged phone, the OUKITEL WP200 Pro. Unlike the usual rugged phones, it doesn't have a lot of plastic wrapped around the body. It weighs less than a pound and it even has a huge protrusion. However, this bulge doesn't just hide the camera but also a detachable screen. Let's explore what makes this phone so unique. When you open the package, the first thing you see is not a phone but a watch. The phone itself comes next. The package also includes a USB-C cable, a 45-watt wide voltage charger, some instructions and manuals. A temperature film has applied to the phone, and it comes with a black translucent case for extra protection. The exterior design is futuristic and technological. The diamond texture design on the back of the phone not only gives the device a modern look, but also enhances ergonomic and comfort while holding it. This texture design is aesthetically pleasing and at the same time increases the grip and reduces the risk of the phone slipping out of your hand. This huge camera module on the top serves as a charging dock for the smartwatch as well as a support during one-handed operation. The phone's bezel is made of brushed aluminum, a material that's both lightweight and structurally strong enough. The red button on the left side is a multi-function key that allows users to set a shortcut or app in the settings, such as setting it to flashlight, which makes it easy to turn it on quickly, then easily illuminate the front of the device in dark places. The front screen was the most surprising thing to me. It's almost equal width on all sides and has narrow bezels. This OLED screen also boasts a high refresh rate of 120Hz. In terms of brightness, the official claim is that it's only 500 nits, but based on my experience, I think that's on the low side. In bright outdoor light, the screen was no less readable than the Samsung S25 Ultra I have in my hand. It weighs 320 grams, about 0.7 pounds, which is a lot heavier than Samsung, iPhone, and other phones. But compared to regular rugged phones that may weigh 500 grams, about 1 pound, it's already pretty light. The body is less than 15mm thick, and the thickest part with some decal is less than 22mm. The most unique feature of the OUKITEL WP200 Pro is its built-in smartwatch. The smartwatch not only serves as a second display for the phone, allowing users to check the time, weather, and other information, but also acts like a Bluetooth headset, which greatly enhances the practicality of the phone. Users can easily detach the smartwatch from the phone and install it into a band, making it a standalone smart band. With the built-in Fit app, daily activities can be tracked, like health monitoring. In addition, the phone is equipped with a high-capacity 8800 mAh battery for a long-lasting experience. In terms of device unlocking, it also performs quite well. It not only has the regular optical face recognition, but also supports fingerprint unlocking. Unlike most rugged phones that use side fingerprint unlocking, the phone uses under-screen fingerprint unlocking. However, it is slightly unfortunate that it uses optical under-screen fingerprint unlocking. The unlocking position is relatively downwards, which may be not so smooth enough to use in some situations. In terms of performance, it is equipped with a 4-core Cortex-A78 and a 4-core Cortex-A55 with a 4nm processor MTK Dimensity 8200 chip. In terms of storage, the phone even comes with a heavyweight 24 gigs plus 1TB combo. It has more storage and RAM than a Mac, so users don't have to worry about storage or rely on cloud services. It can store and run all kinds of large apps and files without any problems. When you turn on the camera, you might mistakenly think it only has the usual wide-angle camera, but in reality, this 108-megapixel camera is highly usable. If you compare it to the iPhone 16 Pro, you will see that it's not a bad image. However, if you compare it further with the macro result, it may fall a little short. The phone runs an almost pure Android with almost no extra pre-installed software, providing users with a good experience. Its interface is simple and intuitive, and its operation is smooth and natural, so users can get started quickly and personalize it according to their own preferences. Meanwhile, the phone supports GMS, Android Auto, NFC, and other functions. In terms of signal support, OUKITEL WP200 Pro performs well. It supports 5G signals, and the overall signal support in most parts of the world is quite good. It covers 2G and 3G networks covering Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas, and it can meet basic communication needs even in some weak network infrastructure and remote areas. For 4G networks, it can widely adapt to the world's mainstream frequency bands, whether cities in Europe and Asia, as well as some regions in the Americas and Africa. For 5G networks, it supports some frequency bands, but is missing millimeter waves. Even so, it will still be able to receive signals in the more rapidly developing 5G areas in Europe and Asia. The OUKITEL WP200 Pro stands out from the crowd as a rugged phone with its unique design, rich features, and excellent performance. Its built-in smartwatch, detachable screen, high-capacity battery, and powerful storage are some of the highlights that bring users a new experience. Although there are some minor flaws in areas such as fingerprint unlock position and microphotography, they do not stop it from becoming a highly competitive rugged phone. For those who want personalization, practicality, and have high requirements for the durability, OUKITEL WP200 Pro is definitely an option worth considering. If you're interested, head to the link for more info. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.